Hi guys, I decided to do something different today. It's called Twist Traditional Handspun Tobacco and it's made by Kindle. That's the packaging. Oops. I've got a little bit. In the UK we can't get dipping tobacco. They banned it in 1992 due to the EC, health and safety crap. On the packaging it says this tobacco product can damage your health and is addictive. I know I've said I was going to make this a couple weeks ago and I've tried my best to like it, but see the results. Next bit. You can. I like the tobacco taste a little bit, but I just prefer cigarettes or snuff. Dipping tobacco is probably completely different to this. I love tobacco, but this isn't for me. So I give it a 0 out of 10. I'm sorry guys, I won't be doing any more chewing tobacco vids. And this was just a short video just to say I've made it, I've tried it, but I just don't like it, to be honest. Give me some Benson any time. Stay lit.